spirit. You are going to tie it 7 times. Evil spirit from my life. Any evil spirit from my life. So make sure how you are. Welcome to Plant Lifestyle. Today I have another video for you. We are studying plants and learning about our spiritual well-being. Today I'm going to talk about the palm tree, but specifically the palm frond, the one inner or the inner core of the plant. That is the fresh leaf, the new leaf coming. That is what I'm going to talk about. This one. This is what I'm going to talk about. Yes. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment if there's anything you don't understand. I have my WhatsApp number on the screen. You can contact me and then we will talk. Kindly let me know your question and then I'll answer. Please, we are going to talk about how to tie your enemies using the palm frond. How to tie your enemies using the palm frond. This is what we are going to do. We are going to get 7 palm frond. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's get extra ones. Yeah, I'm getting extra ones. Good. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to get, or we are going to get 7 leaves of the palm frond. The palm frond is very powerful when it comes to tying evil, tying what is not good, tying up our persecutors, tying up our enemies. So we are going to tie our enemies, those persecuting us spiritually. What we are going to do is that we are going to take the first palm frond. There are 7 days in a week, so each one will stand for each week. That is each day in the week. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Yes. We are going to start from the day you were born. You were born. That is where you are going to start to tie the leaves. So if you were born on Monday, you are going to start Monday. You are going to recite these words on the palm frond and start tying. If you are performing this, it's better you perform this in the night. Yes, you just plug the palm frond and keep it till in the night, from 11 to 12 o'clock or 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock. That interval you can do this. Any evil persecuting me, and you mention your full name. If you are born on Monday in Ghana, if you are born on Monday, you have your name. Tuesday, you have your name. Wednesday, as you have common names for the days you were born. So I was born on Tuesday, so I'll just say any spiritual battle that is chasing me, and I mention my name, Kwabena. That is Tuesday born. For a male Tuesday born is called Kwabena. So just I tied any evil spirit. We are going to tie it 7 times. Evil spirit from my life. Any evil spirit from my life. So make sure how you are tying it to get 7 knots. Okay. You just start tying, be praying. If it is a spiritual curse, anything that I attracted in the market place or in any gathering, I just tie them up, remove any negative impact from my life. I bring positivity. Whatever I touch must be blessed. wherever I go must be glorified. So you just pray good things into your life, and then you'll be tying it up like that. So let's see, I have 1 2 3 4 5 6. I have 6 now, and then I add small one, and then you'll be praying your intentions on it, or you can bring the last one here. So this is what you have. Once you do all of them like this, after your prayers, you do all of them like this. Let's do another one so that I'll show you how to do it. So you start your prayers once again, and then you start tying them. Once you finish tying them, make sure you get 7 knots or 7 ties. 2. I have 2 now. 3. Okay. I have 4 now. 4. I have, the next one will be 5. 5. And then 6. 6. And the next one is 7. 7. So once you are done like this, you are going to tie this. You are going to tie them around each of. So if this is the first one I take, I'll just tie this around it. I'll just tie this around it, and then I'll take the next one. I'll tie it around, maybe this one. I'll tie it around it, and then I'll take the next one. I tie it around this one like that. Should be in chain. Tie it around it, and then go and bury it. Any mystery, anything the devil wants to bring on you, you are burying it. You are not bringing them closer again. So you just go and bury it. Do this, and then just pray and do this, and you are going to tie people who want to destroy your life, who want to bring negative things, negative impact in your life, and you are going to move on. So basically, you get the fresh one. Just get the fresh one, the one just coming out from it. That is the inner core of the palm front. Don't use the old one, or don't use the old leaves. Just use the one coming newly, inner core of the palm tree. Just go and bury it, and then any mystery the devil wants to bring in your life, bury them. Bury any mystery, tie them and bury everything. And then you are going to, if they've tied you spiritually, if they've tied you, your enemies are coming, bad dreams, all those kind of things, you are just tie them and bury them. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. Simple life protecting herbs is being taught on this channel, so that your life will never be the same. See you in the next video. It's now ready to bath. Yes, now the water is warm. Yes, it is activated. It is now activated for bath. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like the videos, learn more about plants, and then let's all learn together. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.